In this video I'm going to show you how to clean the printhead of your Canon MAXIFY GX3020 printer. To do the manual printhead cleaning, switch on the printer and then give a copy command. For that, we'll select here, press OK, and once the printhead is unlocked, just remove the power cord. So once you unplug the power cable, we have to lift the front section. So lift it up. The printhead is unlocked and you can just move it freely. Now take the damp cloth and you have to push this one side. Place your cloth here and just a small cloth but more in the length, and just slide the printhead over it. Place it in a proper position. Handle it from both sides. Just move it like this. So this damp cloth will unclog the printhead and it should start working normal. So once we look at this, you can clearly see some of the ink has come on it. So this way we can do the manual printhead cleaning without removing this whole system. So that's much easier. Once we do that with the damp cloth, just close it and go to the main screen. Switch on the printer. Plug in the power cable. Press the power button. It will give you a message like printer was turned off incorrectly, so press OK. Next step is to go to the maintenance and then click on the cleaning. So this will require some of the ink, so it won't waste a lot of ink. So it's a good thing after doing the manual printhead cleaning. Click yes. So it may take a couple of minutes, so we'll just wait for that. Once you see the message on the screen, do you want to print the nozzle check pattern? Click yes. This will give a clear idea if the ink is working properly or not, and make sure you have also loaded the paper in the paper tray. So it has clearly printed all the colors. That means we have successfully cleaned our printhead. Press OK to next and select all A, that is actually option, and then click on the home button. So this way we can clean the printhead. Thanks for watching.